ఇండియా గేట్ దగ్గర 67వ గణతంత్ర వేడుకలను ఆర్మీ జరుపుతోంది. ఆ లైవ్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
And this is a view of the forecourt of Rashtrapati Bhavan. We have specially positioned cameras here to bring directly for you as the President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, will leave from here for the saluting base. And under the arch of India Gate, a reminder, a symbol, powerful, silent, and shorn of all frills. And here an Inter-Services Guard of Honour in position, ready to receive the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, who will lead the nation in paying homage to the Amar Jawan, the immortal soldier.
इंडिया गेट पर सेना के तीनों अंगों के जोशीले जवानों की टुकड़ी, जिसका नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं कमांडर कार्तिक दास। इंडिया गेट पर सेना की टुकड़ी का नेतृत्व संभाला है कैप्टन महेश सिंह बिष्ट ने। नौसेना की टुकड़ी का नेतृत्व लेफ्टिनेंट कमांडर प्रिया जय कुमार और वायुसेना की टुकड़ी का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं स्क्वाड्रन लीडर प्रियव्रत सिंह।
The three service flags at the north end of India Gate. A light early morning breeze here. In the black of the night, in the cold of winter, in the blaze of the sun, in the storm of thunder, fear not, for I am here, on watch, on duty, on guard. Fear not, for I am here. I am a soldier. A reversed rifle, standing on its barrel and crested by a soldier's helmet, symbolizing the immortal soldier, giving heart to stone, etched with golden letters, Amar Jawan, he who lives forever. Fire, sacred and pure, the flames offering a prayer, silently, radiant and strong.
तीनों सेनाओं के प्रमुख थल सेना अध्यक्ष जनरल दलबीर सिंह, वायुसेना अध्यक्ष एडमिरल आर के धवन और नौसेना अध्यक्ष एयर चीफ मार्शल और उपराहा 67वें गणतंत्र दिवस का गौरवशाली अवसर राष्ट्र आज श्रद्धांजलि अर्पित कर रहा है इंडिया गेट स्थित अमर जवान ज्योति पर।
When Prime Minister Narendra Modi will arrive here, he will also lay a wreath here at the memorial. The wreath, symbolic in more ways than one, other than being the traditional form of floral tribute at funerals, the circular shape of the wreath is symbolic of eternity or eternal life, because a circle has no beginning or end.
रक्षा राज्य मंत्री राव इंद्रजीत सिंह का आगमन, इनका स्वागत सेना के तीनों अंगों के प्रमुखों द्वारा। सेना अध्यक्ष जनरल दलबीर सिंह, वायुसेना अध्यक्ष एयर चीफ मार्शल और उपराहा और नौसेना अध्यक्ष एडमिरल आर के धवन।
This is again a view of the forecourt of Rashtrapati Bhavan, the President's bodyguards, awaiting the arrival of their Supreme Commander, the President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, as he will soon descend the 32 odd steps.
राजपथ के दोनों ओर अपार जनसमूह राष्ट्र गौरव के इस पर्व का उल्लास और उमंग के साथ अवलोकन करने के लिए उपस्थित।
It's a crisp January morning here in New Delhi, and though the day dawned bearing a thin veil of mist, a persevering sun seems to be winning, and a lovely golden glow slowly bathing the entire area.
रक्षा मंत्री श्री मनोहर पर्रिकर का आगमन इंडिया गेट पर कुछ ही क्षणों के उपरांत माननीय प्रधानमंत्री महोदय का आगमन होगा। कृतज्ञ राष्ट्र की ओर से अमर सैनिकों को श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित किए जाएंगे।
So here at India Gate, the Defence Minister, Shri Manohar Parrikar, has arrived. We already have the three chiefs, the Army Chief General Dalbir Singh, the Naval Chief Admiral R.K. Dhawan, and the Air Force Chief Air Chief Marshal Orup Raha here. And of course the Minister of State for Defence, Rao Inderjeet Singh, all awaiting to receive Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who is expected to arrive here shortly. And as the Prime Minister's carcade will be making its way to India Gate, it is indeed a point in time for the Chief of Government of the largest democracy in the world, as he heads towards the Amar Jawan Jyoti, to lead the nation in paying homage to those brave men who laid down their lives so that our India may prosper and become home to generations of enlightened world citizens. And as we here in the capital, New Delhi, pay homage to the Amar Jawan, our men in uniform right now keep a watch over snowy mountains and sandy dunes, our skies and extensive coastline. They stand tall and strong, and we are proud of them.
1971 के भारत पाकिस्तान युद्ध में शहीद हुए सैनिकों की स्मृति में इंडिया गेट की मेहराब के बीच एक छोटे चबूतरे पर अमर जवान ज्योति की स्थापना की गई थी और आज सेना के तीनों अंगों के जोशीले जवान यहां पर उपस्थित सेना की संयुक्त टुकड़ी, नौसेना, थल सेना और वायुसेना का संयोजन देश का 67वां गणतंत्र दिवस
Alighting from the steps of Rashtrapati Bhavan into the forecourt, we have our chief guest for this year's parade, the President of France, François Hollande. He will accompany the President of India, Shri Pranab Mukherjee, and together they will leave, escorted by the President's bodyguards for the saluting base at Rajpath.